I got Ed this I Dig It. He loves these things. So we're gonna let him see what's in there. You ready for this, Ed? He's been dying to do it.
Why I have this paintbrush is because if I see something, I can just brush it away. They're really useful. Oh, this one is the best. I'm not using water like those wimps.
Ed, do these make good stocking stuffers?
Yes!
We also put them in Easter baskets.
See what I mean? They're super dusty. Nope. Ow! And don't buy these if you get hurt easily. Oh, I see it. Black on the list. Diorite? Or it could be that, or that. And there is actually sometimes multiple in these ones. That obsidian? No, that's diorite. Look, diorite.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. As a tactic. Might be able to brush. Oh, yes. That is definitely diorite. 2 pieces. Kind of this one. It could be quartz or diorite again. That's kind of see-through. Nope, that's diorite.